Top skills to become a millionaire. Greetings, ambitious dreamers. Today, we unveil the secret treasures that lie within the realm of millionaires, the extraordinary skills that pave the way to unparalleled success. As you immerse yourself in this grand tapestry of knowledge, prepare to unlock the door to abundance and witness the transformative power that lies within your grasp. From the delicate art of financial literacy to the commanding prowess of leadership, we present to you the definitive guide on the top skills that hold the key to your millionaire destiny. So, with hearts ablaze and minds ready, join us on this transformative quest as we unravel the timeless wisdom that separates the ordinary from the extraordinary, propelling you towards millions. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Financial literacy. Financial literacy is a cornerstone skill on the path to millionaire status. It encompasses the fundamental understanding of money management, investing, and personal finance. By acquiring this knowledge, you gain the power to take control of your financial destiny. Knowing how to budget, save, and make informed decisions about spending are crucial aspects of money management. Investing wisely allows your money to grow and work for you, building wealth over time. Additionally, understanding personal finance empowers you to navigate credit, debt, and taxes effectively. With financial literacy as your compass, you can confidently chart a course towards success and join the ranks of the millionaires who have harnessed the transformative power of understanding money. Number 2. Salesmanship. This is an indispensable skill on the journey to millionaire status. It revolves around the ability to persuade and influence others, a key element in the realm of business. Mastering the art of salesmanship enables you to effectively communicate the value of your products or services and convince others to buy into your vision. Whether you're pitching an idea, negotiating a deal, or building relationships with clients, the power to sway others to your side can make all the difference. By honing your salesmanship skills, you can open doors to lucrative opportunities, forge fruitful partnerships, and ultimately propel your business towards remarkable success. Embrace the art of persuasion, and watch as the world bends to your will, paving the way to the coveted realm of millionaires. Number 3. Networking. It revolves around building and nurturing relationships with influentials in your industry. By expanding your network, you gain access to a vast pool of knowledge, opportunities, and resources. Engaging with like-minded professionals opens doors to partnerships, mentorship, and collaborations. Networking provides a platform to exchange ideas, gain insights, and stay updated on industry trends. The ability to connect with influential people grants you the power to leverage their expertise and connections for mutual growth. In this interconnected world, building a strong network is akin to constructing a bridge to success. So, seize every chance to connect, nurture those relationships, and watch as the power of networking propels you toward riches. Number 4. Leadership. It encompasses the ability to inspire and guide others towards a shared goal. A skilled leader possesses the vision and charisma to motivate teams, fostering a sense of unity and purpose. By effectively communicating, providing clear direction, leaders empower others to unleash their full potential. They build trust, encourage collaboration, and navigate challenges with resilience. Exceptional leaders not only inspire their teams but also attract investors, partners, and customers who believe in their vision. With leadership skills, you can cultivate a thriving business, create a positive impact, and pave the way to financial success. Number 5. Communication. Communication is an essential skill for achieving millionaire status. It revolves around the ability to express your ideas clearly and effectively. When you can articulate thoughts with precision, you can captivate and influence others. Whether it's presenting a business proposal, negotiating a deal, or inspiring your team, effective communication enables you to convey your message persuasively. This builds trust, fosters meaningful connections, and facilitates collaboration. With strong communication skills, you can navigate challenges, resolve conflicts, and build mutually beneficial relationships. Effective communication helps you convey your value proposition to clients, investors, and stakeholders, opening doors to lucrative opportunities. By mastering this skill, you empower yourself to connect, and create a lasting impact on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 6. Negotiation. This involves the art of reaching mutually beneficial agreements. Mastering negotiation allows you to navigate business deals, contracts, and partnerships with finesse. By understanding the needs and motivations of all parties involved, you can find common ground and craft win-win solutions. Effective negotiation empowers you to maximize value and build fruitful relationships. Whether it's negotiating prices, salaries, or business terms, honing this skill gives you a competitive edge in the marketplace. With the ability to find harmony amidst diverse interests, negotiation becomes a powerful tool for unlocking financial opportunities and propelling yourself towards the realm of millionaires. Number 7. Problem solving. Problem solving is a key skill for aspiring millionaires. It involves the ability to identify and solve complex problems. By approaching challenges with a strategic mindset, you can navigate obstacles and seize opportunities. Effective problem solving enables you to analyze situations, think critically, and implement innovative solutions. It empowers you to overcome setbacks, adapt to changing circumstances, and make informed decisions. With this skill, you become a resourceful problem solver, capable of turning obstacles into stepping stones towards success. Number 8. Continuous learning. Involves a commitment to lifelong learning and self-improvement. By staying curious and open-minded, you seize new opportunities. Embracing this mindset allows you to acquire new knowledge, develop skills, and stay ahead of the curve. Continuous learning empowers you to innovate, expand your horizons, and make informed decisions. It is the fuel that propels you towards constant growth and positions you as a valuable asset in the realm of millionaires. Armed with the knowledge of these top skills, you now possess the tools to carve your destiny and claim your rightful place among the elite. Remember, wealth is not a destination but a journey, requiring unwavering dedication, relentless perseverance, and the pursuit of excellence. As you venture forth into the realm of millionaires, let these skills be your guiding light, igniting the fire of ambition within you. Embrace the challenges, harness the power of your unique abilities, and let your unwavering determination propel you towards the pinnacle of success. The path to wealth is yours to tread, and the world awaits the remarkable transformations that lie ahead. May your journey be adorned with triumph, and may the echoes of your achievements inspire generations to come.